history. Mommy and Daddy, you inspired me and made me believe in love and destiny even more. I hope your love for each other grow even more as you discover more about each other for the rest of your lives. Lalo na, sabi nila, pag tumatanda daw, high blooded na.
Totoo ba yun?
I love you both always. Happy silver wedding. And I hope you will enjoy my gift.
Uy, ano yun?
It's not it's all-inclusive weekend getaway.
Wow!
Palakasan.
Saan daw yun?
Grabe.
Saan yung angel? Totoo?
Hi everyone. Before we start,
Ayun na, makakatawag
gusto ko
na.
mag-kiss muna sila mami.
One more kiss.
Hi everyone, I'm Revi and you can call me Love, my nickname. I'm the middle child of the wedded couple. First of all, happy silver wedding, Daddy and Mommy. I may be the result of the mistake, but I'm also the sign of the start of your strong love and unconditional love. Inasal na ulit kayo, and sa simbahan ako. So I know your love will last and never be failed dahil saksi na po ang Panginoon ngayon. I'm always thankful for everything and mostly to you both. Thank you for giving us all that we need. Love, care, bonding, and good happy memories. Thank you for always guiding us and teach us what love truly is. Never po kasi silang nag-away sa harap namin pag ako dito. Siguro naiinis po pero hindi po talaga away. And so kapag si daddy ko na high blood at tumataas ang boses sa amin, or di kaya kahit kanina sa amin sa bahay, di ano po, tinatawanan lang po namin siya kasi hindi naman po totally galit talaga si daddy. Bad trip lang, mga ganun.
Magkaiba ba yun?
So, yun na po. Dream come true na po. Ang dami pong ganap bago ko matuloy itong wedding na to. May mga times na nai-stress na, nababad trip na yung iba, or naiinis na kasi, na-hassle, madami pong ginagawa. But, yun nga po, at least, na-achieve na po and natapos na po ang lahat. Natuloy din po sa wakas yung dream nila Mami and Daddy. And thank you po sa lahat ng bubuo at naging party po ng event at kasal nila Daddy ngayon. Thank you sa mga duman po. And thank you po sa pagsama sa araw na to. And balik po sa message ko, thank you for teaching us that relationships get stronger when both are willing to understand mistakes and forgive each other.
Correct.
Daddy, no words are enough to express my feelings for you. All that I can say is that you are the most wonderful dad and a daughter and son can have, and we are lucky to have you. Mommy, you are the most amazing person I know, and I am so grateful for all the love and support you have given me. Thank you for your long patience and understanding. Thank you both for making this family complete, happy, and strong. Thank you for your hard work and everything. I love you both. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, Angelique, and very, very sweet.